We're going to do tomato concasse. And what concasse means in French basically is chop, or rough chop. So you're going to have to ask your chef or instructor what size they wanted it cut to. So normally if you're just going to do a rough concasse, it'll just be a rough, medium, dice, something like that. But if they want a small concasse, they'd have to specify that. So what we're going to do to get these beefsteak tomatoes ready is I'm going to leave that there. We're going to take out the core on the top, paring knife. Okay, just pop that out. We'll flip it over and we're going to put an X pattern about 1/4 inch down into the skin on the back. Okay, I'm going to place this in the water. We have boiling water that it's in. We also have an ice bath that's ready to shock it in. And what we're trying to do is pull the peel off of the tomato. So when you make tomato sauce at home and you don't have a food mill or anything, you'll notice you get like the little skins in your sauce. It'll end up in your teeth and everything. We don't want that. So this way we'll take off the skins and we'll also take the seeds out. So all you have is just the flesh or the fruit of the tomato, which is really nice to have. Or you can do it on any type of tomato. We're using beefsteak. You can use Roma tomatoes. And you end up filleting those like a fish. For the beefsteaks, we're going to do a little bit differently just to get the seeds out of it. Okay? So we're going to grab this. The whole idea here is to not cook the tomato, but to just remove the outer part of it. So if you overcook it, it'll get soft and smushy, and you won't be able to cut it really well. So it still needs to be firm. That's why we shock it right away. So this is just out of the water, and we can see the skin is separating from it naturally. Okay, so what we're going to do, put that in our ice bath, stop the cooking process, okay, and give it a minute to cool down. So we've stopped the cooking process. And you can see the skin just wants to come off, right? So you can just peel it off with your hands if you want, or you can take a paring knife and grab the edge and pull it off like that. Okay. Again, see how the flesh is firm on the outside. It's not cooked at all. All we did was just cook enough to get the skin off. Right. Same thing with the aroma. You'd core the end and slice the bottom. Get this off. So other vegetables or fruits we can use if you want to do peaches. This is a good way to do it. For fresh peach pie or something, you would do it this way. So it's pretty good. Alright. So the beefsteak we'll cut it in half. This way. This one's a little under-ripened, but you can actually usually just squeeze the seeds right out of it this way, and they'll just come right out. See how they just come right out of there? Okay. So we've got the seeds out, and now we can just a rough chop. There's some bad smells in there. Alright, so that's just a concasse tomato. So that's with the seeds, we squeezed them out, and then we chopped it. That's all you need to do. If you want to do aroma, imagine this is a Roma tomato. Yeah. you can go like this. In a rumma, you would quarter it. This is how I do it. And you would actually fillet it this way like a fish. And that would get all the seeds out. Okay. And then you could just chop this. Just like that. Okay. So that's tomato concasse.